20-some years now, we've been playing this game, and we've come to believe that you can't be the same. Boring's not optional, stand out from the rest. Pileated jackhammer with a crazy spiky red neon crest. Spike is our mascot. Yeah, woodpeckers rock. Make noise, and we know that you will truly find your way. Get noticed, and we know that you will truly find your way. So you wanna get noticed, then you just gotta make noise. Time to get the word out and shout out and go with Spike and the boys. Boring's not optional, stand out from the rest. Pileated jackhammer with a crazy spiky red neon crest. Spike is our mascot. Yeah, woodpeckers rock. Make noise, and we know that you will truly find your way. Get noticed, and we know that you will truly find your way. Help you find your way. It's a cycle of proof when the work that you choose differentiates you, makes your brand just cut through. Yes, Spike is our mascot because woodpeckers rock. Let's get real. Make noise, and we know that you will truly find your way. Get noticed, and we know that you will truly find your way. Help you find your way. We help you find